Hey YouTube, my name is Mercy, and here is the latest news regarding the elusive PlayStation 5. First, let's talk about Target. Here's a tweet posted on Twitter by Randal, basically giving us inside info on what Target has in stock or will be getting on the 5th of December. Now, he did clarify that this was just an example of one store, but he goes on to say that all stores will be getting stock and it's just a matter of how much. So, December 5th, look out for Target. Now for Walmart. A lot of people on Twitter have been posting successful W's with in-store purchases with the help of Brickseek, a website tied with major retailers such as Walmart to show you what they have available in store. Now, I did hear that some stores refused to sell what they had and or ignored what people were saying despite what Brickseek shows, but most of the stores just did end up selling them due to the amount of people showing up with the same information. Thank you, Brickseek. Let's talk Best Buy. Best Buy has been doing a very good job with keeping us in the shadows. Aside from launch and Black Friday, those are the only 2 days they went live with PS5 sales. Other than that, they have been posting little to no information regarding stocks and or when they plan on going live again. Now, for websites such as PlayStation Direct, Costco, and GameStop that do random drops throughout the day, I highly suggest going on Twitter and following people like Randal, Linus Wilson, and Wario64. They are constantly tweeting about PS5 news and will always tweet out when a website goes live. And occasionally Wario64 will tweet some good deals with anything gaming related. So that's always a plus. Well, that's all the information I have so far, but like I said, if you follow the people I mentioned on Twitter, you'll always be up to date. I'll add the links to their Twitter account as well as mine in the description below. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, as well as share, because I'll be posting more gaming related videos in the future. As always, my name is Mercy, thank you for watching, and good luck.
Morning comes and morning goes.